What do you do when your motorcycle stops charging, dies twice at a traffic light, refuses to start, and you have an adventure motorcycle event the next morning? Apparently you take the whole bike apart. The bike had starting problems and the battery wasn't charging properly. A couple of days ago it died on me twice at a traffic light, and after that it didn't want to start again. So I told myself, okay, before I trust this bike again, I'm going through the electrical system properly. Great idea. Responsibly even. So now I have about 20 hours to turn this pile of parts back into a working KTM. Sold the blinkers. Nice black ones. We have a lot more to do. I had some electrical problems, so I took the entire cable tree out. So I can inspect everything and use some contact cleaner and a brush. I mean, it looked like a mess. I don't know if in stock form it looks like this, but it's just awful. The bike was stalling, not charging properly. So I was like, well, I'll take the entire cable tree out so you can get off the root of everything, because it's corroded in some places as well. It's now 10 in the evening. I finished the wiring harness. Still need to put it in place everywhere, but it's now globally in. So I put some light, because otherwise I cannot see anymore. Some bolts in there need to be done. Need to do some soldering tomorrow. Because of the rectifier, the plug was really bad. Yes, so it's 10 o'clock now. We're getting a bit stressed because we have so much to do for tomorrow. Good morning! It's 6 in the morning and this is where I left off. We have a few hours to get the bike ready. The problem with electrical connections is that you never really know if you found the problem. With a broken bolt you see it, with a flat tire you see it. With charging issues you just clean everything, tighten everything, stare at the bike for a while and hope the motorcycle gods are in a good mood. The fairings need to go back on, the tank needs to go back on, the wiring needs to be routed properly, and I still need to make sure I didn't forget one very important connector somewhere deep inside the bike. Because nothing says adventure riding like rebuilding your motorcycle the night before the adventure. For now I took out the connector. I'm going to solder it directly. For in the future I will connect it directly to the battery with a fuse in there. But for now I don't have the time. And I'll probably look for a MOSFET regulator. 8:38. We have to put on the tank and the seat. Now we're done. Okay, we are how many minutes late? We have to be there at 10 and it's now 9:37. It's 45 minutes drive, so about 45 minutes late. But the bike is finished. Well, we have not test driven it yet, so still need to clean the carburetors. I have to clean the carb. Usually want to do that, but we need the bike today, so another time we have to clean the carbs. Well, carb, it's from one cylinder. It's nice that we have very good roads in the Netherlands. It's not so nice that we always have roadworks, so next video we arrive at the event, check out some beautiful adventure bikes, watch proper riders make off-road riding look way too easy, and I probably spend money on things I don't really need.